Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Adobe Express AI extension, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To uninstall the Adobe Express AI extension, first, open your web browser. Locate the browser's menu icon, usually found in the upper right corner. Click on the menu icon to reveal a drop-down list. From the drop-down, select extensions or add-ons, depending on your browser. In the extensions or add-ons page, find the list of installed extensions. Scroll through the list until you locate the Adobe Express AI extension. Once you find the extension, look for the options to manage it. Different browsers might have different options. You may see a remove or uninstall button. Click on that button to initiate the uninstallation process. A prompt may appear asking you to confirm the removal. If so, confirm the action. Wait a moment as the extension is being uninstalled. Once the process is complete, you should see a notification or the extension will be gone from your list. To ensure it is completely removed, you can refresh your browser. Check in your browser's toolbar to confirm that the Adobe Express AI extension icon is no longer present. And that's it. You have successfully uninstalled the Adobe Express AI extension. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.